confirming that Iran has completed the necessary preparatory steps to start the implementation of the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. The report was submitted to the IAEA Board of Governors and to the United Nations Security Council. It are peaceful. We have come a long way to monitor nuclear activities in Iran and to verify that they are peaceful. We have come a long way since the IAEA first started considering the Iran nuclear issue in 2003. A lot of work has gone into it.
In 2.5 years of intense multilateral negotiations, the International Atomic Energy Agency has now verified that Iran has honored its commitments to alter and in fact dismantle much of its nuclear program in compliance with the agreement that we reached last July. In return for the steps that Iran has taken, the United States and the EU will immediately lift nuclear-related sanctions, expanding the horizon of opportunity for the Iranian people, and I have even tonight, before coming...
Now that they gave Iran news, now they